think as a professional, it's must to come and train yourself.
If you want to be serious, you want to take it to the next level, there's no reason why you're not here.
Exciting. Like, everybody's here and happy to be here, so it's a great environment to learn in. I really like it.
Amazing. You know, just meeting people. Everyone is wonderful, willing to help you out and give you advice.
So much dense educational opportunities here. From the time you get in the morning to the time you leave at 7 p.m. at night, there's stuff to learn.
With all the choices of the classes, with all of the people that you meet, you can't help but learn new things and be inspired by other people that are attending as well.